Bugsy, bring it over here. Dribble. Dribble back.
So early? They've been there since like 2, 3 o'clock.
Come on, boy.
Well, I could just early. I can just block out before they
Step over. Do a step over, boy. Step over. Hey. Come on, boy. Good boy.